Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn the prepositions. Above. The bird is above the tree. Under. The boy is under the table. Near. The dog is near the tree. Between. The toy is between the boxes. Behind. The cat is behind the box. In front. The dog is in front of the kettle. Next to. The rat is next to the box. On. The book is on the table. Up. The balloon went up. To. We are going to the park. Outside. The bulb is outside the box. Across. The boy is running across the field. By. The dog is by the tree. From. The boy is taking the book from the shelf. At. The cat is at the door. In. The toy is in the box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.